Hello, this is Stephen George once again with you, and today I am going to talk to you on a topic: job versus traditional business versus direct selling. Point number one: you cannot become crorepati in job. Never. Traditional business needs many complicated things. बहुत तामझाम लगता है. Only direct selling can make you crorepati in 4 to 5 years. Number two: time compounding system. Job is part of that system, and lifelong you will get salary for 8 hours only. In traditional business you can get time compounding system, but it has a limitation. Supposing your company needs 10 people for business, you cannot hire 100 people, and here to get more time one has to pay for the time. More employees, more salary. But in direct selling, whenever you join one person, time compounding starts. Here no limit, whether it is 10 people, 100 people, 2000 or 2 million team, you have no limitation. Direct selling best for टाइम कंपाउंडिंग सिस्टम. आप कामयाब तब बनते हो जब लोगों के मेहनत पे पैसा आपको मिलता है. नंबर थ्री: मिस्टेक. इन जॉब यू कैनॉट कीप रिपीटिंग मिस्टेक्स, यू विल लूज जॉब. इन बिजनेस मिस्टेक प्रूव टू कॉस्टली, बट इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग मिस्टेक्स आर लर्निंग प्रोसेस एंड अप्लाइंग टू गाइड यू. नो लॉस. जब पैसा ही नहीं लगाया तो जाएगा क्या. Number four: boss. There is an animal in your job called boss who dictates your life. When you can come, when you can go, when you sleep, when you get up, and it's the boss who decides your income. You can never become boss in job. In case of business, you think you are boss, but you're wrong. The business is the boss. Here, the boss will not shout at you, but uh, cause loss for not attending office. And a businessman is 10 times more harassed than the employee, whereas in direct selling, you start as a user and become a leader. Only here, no individual is your boss, not the business is your boss. Even if you don't work for 5 to 7 days, your team works for you. You have taught them, plus, you have upline support which helps to run your team. There is no employee here but business partners. Number 5: in job, you work for someone else purpose or objective. You only try to save your job. आप अपनी ज़िंदगी को चलाना चाहते हैं, बनाना नहीं चाहते. बिजनेस में यू मेक पीपल वर्क फॉर योर पर्पस, बट हियर यू थिंक ओनली एंड ओनली अबाउट योर सेल्फ, नॉट अबाउट एम्प्लॉयज़. इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग बिजनेस यू वर्क फॉर योर टीम पर्पस एंड योर पर्पस. कर भला तो हो भला. जब आप 1 करोड़ कमाएंगे तो आपकी टीम में बहुत से लोग 10 लाख कमाएंगे. आपके मकसद तब पूरा होगा जब आप लोगों के मकसद पूरा करने में मदद करेंगे. नंबर 6: लर्निंग. इन जॉब लर्निंग स्टॉप्स आफ्टर अ वाइल. There is no time to learn. In business, you have to learn, but it is costly affair. You will have to spend time to teach your employees as well in traditional business. But in direct selling, people are taught every day. Training, meeting, seminar, counseling, fieldwork, how to do business and be successful. This is a business with honesty and transparency. So these are the differences between a job, a traditional business and direct selling. Thank you.